How to create a Tinder account. So if you want to create a Tinder account, then first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then on the search bar, search for Tinder. And now on the first search you will have tinder.com, click on that. And now to create an account, click on create account, and then you can continue with your Google account, or you can continue with your Facebook, or you can also continue with your phone number. So choose any option that you would like. Click on verify, and after verifying you have to enter your mobile number, and then you will receive a code to the mobile number that you have sent. Now enter your code that you have received on your mobile number, and after entering, click on continue, and you have to enter your email address, and after entering your email address you can continue, and it will welcome us. So click on agree. Now to create an account you have to enter your first name and then your email address, and after that you have to enter your birth date and your gender and the gender that you would like to see on Tinder. And after that you have to add at least 2 photos to continue, and then scroll down and you can choose what you are looking for, and these are optional. So after entering all of this information you can click on continue. And that's it guys, that's how you create your Tinder account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.